My car keeps trying to overheat. Tried overheating on the highway yesterday, so I got out and did that to try to check to see if I had any coolant in there, because it looked like it might have been empty. You can hear that bubbling and movement. I don't see, there's not like dramatic coolant anywhere except for right there. There's a little bit. And now that's totally open. In the truck right now, I just shut it off and the temp gauge was 3/4 of the way up. And of course, it's supposed to sit right in the middle. So, if anyone has any ideas or suggestions or can see anything that I'm not, let me know. I'm looking for water leaking on the from the water pump. I don't see anything. Doesn't mean it didn't hit the engine and evaporate though. I had a coolant leak from one of these really small hoses under the air box. I had that during wintertime, so I'm checking that. This hose right here. That doesn't seem to be leaking anything. Whatever is leaking appears to be spraying over here. So I'm gonna just give a look here also. It's weird. If you see something or if you have any ideas, let me know. I guess the only thing that in my mind that could make sense is if I had a pinhole leak in this upper radiator hose that was spraying down and hitting here. Or maybe a hole in the radiator. There's some right there. A hole in the radiator itself? I don't know. Let me let's start it back up. There's the temperature popping. I don't see anything dripping or spraying when it's running. This is how I caught it last time with that, thought I had a bad gasket or something. And then I ran the car and was looking everywhere and I found a pinhole leak in this right there. But now nothing is standing out to me.